Looking for a simple, refreshing keto dessert? This keto blackberry ice cream made from fresh fruit is creamy, delicious, and super easy to make, and there is no sugar required. In a blender, add 2 cups of fresh blackberries, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And blend it up really well. If the blackberries get stuck, just stop the blender and push them down and try again. And I like my ice cream smooth, so I strain out the seeds. But if you like the seeds, you don't have to do that. Then in a larger bowl, add 1 cup of heavy cream, or if you want a dairy-free, use coconut cream. Half cup of allulose or other powdered keto sweetener, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a dash or 2 of salt, and give it a little mix. Then add in the blackberry juice and mix it all up very well. Then if you have an ice cream machine, you can let the ice cream machine finish making it for you. And if you don't have an ice cream machine, no worries. I will leave the directions for finish making the ice cream without a machine in the description for you. And that's it. Delicious keto blackberry ice cream. I hope you'll enjoy.